Welcome back to the pop-up camper renovation. Not a renovation, I'm just changing it from a radio pop-up camper to a micro camper. Gonna insulate the floor, so since it's 2 feet this way, and then let's say it's 11 inches right there, I'll set my 11 inches here, then my tape measure, so I can mark it. And I guess if you push hard enough, you can probably make a gouge deep enough where you can just snap it. But I haven't tried that. Look at that, just a little bit longer than 2 feet. There we go. You gotta leave, you're supposed to leave a little bit of airspace. So if you got 3/4 of an inch of space here, and then a 1/2 inch foam board, and it should leave you enough for where your insulation will be just right. 16 1/4. Just cut on the line you made. Real easy. And again, just a little bit over 2 feet. So we'll just knock that off there. Check, make sure you are in the frame. I've done that before where people are not in the frame. Left y'all hanging the other day. Alright. Just give that a quick measure. 20 3/8. Right there. Don't throw away any of this foam. Like this little piece here, you think, oh, I can't use that. You'll probably be able to use it somewhere. Just put it somewhere in the camper. Put it somewhere. That way you don't have to put it in the landfill, and you know it's insulation or sound deadening, however you want to look at it, but don't throw it away. So this one right here is 8 3/4. So I'll set my tape right there, 8 3/4, and then I'll just drag that down. Kind of hard to cut a straight line when it's skipping on you. If you use that stuff that's made out of polystyrene beads, I don't like that stuff. I mean, it'll do the job, but the problem is it's just so messy. And it stays forever in the landfill. Oh, it must not have. Oh, that's because the foam was moving. Had to cut an arc. Ouch! Pinch my own thumb. How about that? All right, so we're looking at 6 5/8. Also, you may have to cut on a curve, like grading on a curve. a lot comfortable in the wintertime with the insulated floor, and easier to keep it cool in the summer when it's hot. That's pretty much it. So what I will do is I'll fill all the voids in the floor. Once I get all the voids filled, I'll throw my 1/2-inch plywood on top and start stapling it down. So for now, appreciate your time and watching. So like and subscribe. Gotta go.